Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys, I have shared with you more perfectly and more gorgeous videos, amazing ideas, amazing videos, or more fantastic and gorgeous videos. So welcome to our YouTube channel Decor Talks, and today Decor Talks videos is all about the amazing, perfectly designs, perfectly ideas. You look so amazing and gorgeous videos, gorgeous ideas. Are you there? More fantastic, more elegant videos, and hope everyone likes so fantastic videos, amazing ideas, amazing perfectly ideas. So I will more attractive, more fabulous designs, fabulous videos for different gorgeous ideas for kitchen's decor designs. So for kitchen's main point, totally designs were uploaded, were more elegant videos, elegant ideas. You look so amazing, amazing, perfectly designs, perfectly ideas, and hope everyone like so amazing, gorgeous videos. You look so perfectly designs, perfectly ideas, and obviously complete home is with kitchens are more fantastic videos, fantastic, amazing designs, amazing ideas. You look so perfectly ideas, perfectly videos, and hope everyone likes so elegant, like so amazing designs, amazing ideas. Hope you guys like all these gorgeous videos and more elegant videos. You look so amazing, perfectly designs, perfectly ideas, and amazing kitchen decors are amazing designs. So I will keep more stunning, more fabulous videos, fabulous designs, and so elegant, so gorgeous, just amazing designs. This is so gorgeous videos, amazing designs. And so I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more elegant and more fantastic and gorgeous videos. Are you there? And more fantastic ideas. So thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys, I have shared with you more perfectly and more gorgeous